If you're walking through a minefield, doesn't it make sense to walk in someone else's footsteps? Whether you're an emerging entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, it always pays to learn from somebody else's mistakes. Hi, I'm Jacobik, and I had to reinvent myself and rebuild after some pretty huge fails that I made as a young entrepreneur. But I learned from those mistakes and I applied what I learned, and it worked. I built my first company to over 12 million in annual sales. I built multiple streams of revenue and a solid practice as a business consultant and profitability strategist. I've even written 2 best-selling books. I took everything I've learned in the trenches and now I share it with other business owners. No matter how busy you are, there is a way that you can participate in my EnVision success path. I can help you walk safely through this crazy minefield that the entrepreneurial journey can be. I can show you how to grow your business, make more money, and most importantly, sustain profitability so that you can live the life you've always envisioned. Let's talk. I'd love to get in the trenches with you and show you how it's done.